this wouldn't last, but it hurt more than I thought it would. It happened so fast, one day you were here and the next you were gone for good. But I found some songs that got me through the pain. It won't last long, 'cause I already feel the rain. And it sounds like this. It sounds like this. A little bit of TS on a Saturday night, followed by a SZA. You helped me through the night, maybe a little bit of To Be Loved. So I know I'll be alright. I knew I wasn't crazy, 'cause the words to kill Bill describe how you made me feel like all of me, and all I asked were gonna save me. Then I heard Jaded and I was like, I hate him. But now I can't stop playing Taylor Swift and SZA. Saturday night, followed by Lizzo to help me through the night. All the info that ever down, so I know I'll be alright. I'm just saying, this is what a heartbreak playlist sounds like. 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 This is what a heartbreak playlist sounds like.